I got under it. Oh, come on, hold, hold, hold. Alright, today we're back on Claw.Games and we're going to be playing for this dangerous cat. It's a reversible cat, looks like a cute cuddly white one, and then it turns into a demon skull one, which is just awesome. We have to win this. So we are definitely going to play. Alright, so it looks like it's in starting position, which is good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. As always, we're going to start with this position. Try to move up. We're trying to get that one in the center. Let's see, am I good? That looks about as good as I'm gonna get, I think. So let's try it. Oof, it's a little heavy. A lot heavier than I thought it would be, but then again, this is a smaller claw. Let's try this again. We're gonna go for the one right in front now. Let's try that one. Let's try that and see if it picks that one up any better. Oh wow, I missed that one. Wow, well I guess I didn't miss it. I guess it's really wide. I don't know. I'll try again, but I don't think this is winnable. Let's try going for this one, this black one. Might be as good as I'm gonna get. Let's try it. Oh, it definitely got around it. Oh. Well, we proved you can pick it up. I don't think that one's winnable anymore. We'll see if I can pick that one up again, since that one was our better one. I think if I go any farther, I'll miss it. So let's try that. Oh, it looks like it's gonna pick it up. Come on, come on. Oh, I got it, I got it, I got it. It's very, very frustrating when that happens. But it is tilted now. It's got some air underneath it because it's on another prize. So maybe this will work better for us. I think that's, like I said, I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. Let's try. I got under it. Oh, come on, hold, hold, hold. Alright, so I'm beginning to think it's not winnable. But, I'm going to try this one more time. Oh, this one, I can't get it now, can I? I don't think I can, I don't... Yeah, it wasn't in the right. It was too close to the wall on that side, and the claw doesn't go over all the way. So, all right, we'll try it at least one more time. Let's see, can I even get over it now? No, it didn't move enough. Maybe though. Maybe. Let's see. Well, I moved it, so I think it's in a better position now. Yeah, let's just keep going. it's not being responsive. Nope. Missed it. Wow. Alright, so I can't go for that one anymore, obviously. I'm just wasting all my coins on one freaking prize. This is my last try, because this prize is not worth that much. I can't justify it. Let's see. Got a good spin. I'm around it. Yes! That is so cool. We won it. We won the reversible cat. That was awesome. So we won the 8-inch reversible dangerous cat, but was it worth it? So its value is actually $15 retail. We ended up getting it in 9 plays. It was 175 coins per play, which comes out to 1,575 coins. Multiply that by the amount for each coin, and we ended up spending $18.90. So we actually had a negative $3.90 on this prize. So it was not worth it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and we'll see you next time. Peace.